Missing your Android device and need some help locating it? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find a lost or stolen Android device. Now let's get started. If your Android is signed into your Google account, you should be easily able to locate your missing device using Google's Find My Device system. To locate your device through Find My Device, go on your computer or a friend's mobile device and go to google.com/android/find in your web browser. Then sign in to the Google account you use on your Android. You should see your Android's location on the map on your screen. You'll also be able to see your device's battery level and the Wi-Fi network it's connected to if applicable. Use the options in the menu on the left to play a sound, secure your device by locking it and deleting any saved payment information, or erase everything on your device by factory resetting it. If you choose to play a sound, your device will ring even if it was set to silent. Hopefully, with the sound and location information, you'll be able to locate your missing device. That's all it takes to locate a lost or stolen Android device. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.